Cook healthy, reduced-fat meals without the hassle with the Airwave Digital Multi-Air Fryer from Tower. Bake, grill, roast or fry, all with up to 80% less fat. Not only that, it's far more efficient than conventional cookers, as the triple cooking power of halogen, convection and infrared allows for even heat distribution and faster cooking. You can even enjoy crispy chips, onion rings and other traditionally deep-fried items thanks to the innovative basket insert that keeps your food from sticking to the bottom of the appliance and helps air circulation. Enjoy slow-roasted meat from the rotisserie, kebabs prepared on the rack, or chips fried in the drum, all made with less fat and in less time than in conventional cookers. Delicious, healthy and efficient cooking.
For entertaining family and friends. The KitchenAid Wine Cellars offers a stylish way to store your wines, so come party time, you can pull out all the stops. This 24-inch stainless steel unit is easy to install under your kitchen counter, and with 6 pull-out racks, it stores up to 46 wine bottles. Combine this unit with one of our beverage centers, and you gain space for an additional 16 bottles of wine, and plenty more room for hors d'oeuvres and other beverages on top. When you approach, the Auto Light interior LED lighting will illuminate to help you find items, and slowly dim after use. As your collection grows, never worry about preserving the flavor and integrity of your wines. The electronic touch interface gives you the precise control to create 2 separate temperature zones within each unit. Blending sleek design with advanced features, our wine cellar and beverage center form the finest pairing for any kitchen, any occasion. Now that's something to toast
Place 1 level measure of ground coffee in the smaller filter basket, or 2 measures in the larger one. Sweep excess grinds from the rim of the portafilter and press the tamper into the grounds. Remove. Apply a second finishing tamp, pressing straight down with approximately 30 pounds of pressure, creating a level surface to produce an even extraction. Prepare your frothed milk before brewing your espresso. First, prime the steamer to release residue water. Then fill the included frothing pitcher 1/3 full with cold milk. Insert the frothing arm and tilt the pitcher to create a whirly motion in the milk as bubbles form and froth is built. Now you're ready to brew your espresso. Using 1 or 2 cups. The ProLine series from KitchenAid.
Whether it's delivery or homemade pizza, cutting slices should be easy, and with the OXO Clean Cut Pizza Wheel, it is. Take a look at how simple it is to use and clean this pizza wheel. This handheld pizza wheel provides leverage and control for easy slicing, and the 4-inch stainless steel wheel cuts through thin and thick crust pizza. With its soft, contoured, non-slip grip, the Clean Cut Pizza Wheel makes it comfortable and easy to portion slices for everyone. To clean this pizza wheel, open the handle and easily remove the blade for thorough cleaning. For added convenience, all parts are dishwasher safe, and the blade guard snaps on for storage.